Model, 2019 Mercedes Sprinter 2.2 Luton curtain cider chassis cab recovery needs repair. Body, white, Luton, box curtain slider. Mileage, 250861. MOT, the 17th of October 2025. Engine, 2143 cc OM651 MI2 143 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and sounds knocks whilst cranking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,350 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp